Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. Many Android users are facing this issue. We'll open Google Play Store and show you the error. When you click on install, you will see such kind of issue. Fix it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play. In this video, we will teach you two methods. For method 1, you have to uninstall Google Play updates. For this one, you have to go to your phone settings and then you have to click on apps. Scroll down. Here you will see Google Play Store. You have to click on it and then you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side. Click on uninstall updates. Click on OK. Here you can see uninstalling Google Play Store updates. Once you will uninstall all the updates, then you have to go to Google Play Store again. Here you can see the application is started installing on our Android device. In case if you found any kind of issue in method 1, then you have to adopt the second method. In second method, you have to change the appear on settings on your Android device. For this one, you have to click on settings. You have to click on apps and then you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side, and then you have to click on special access. Here you will see appear on top. You have to click on it. You have to turn off all the applications appear on top. After doing this setting, then you have to make another additional settings. You have to go back. You have to click on accessibility and then you have to click on installed services and then you have to click on all the apps which you will see here and you have to turn off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.